The best drone cameras in 2025 are smarter, faster, and give us amazing video quality. Today, drones are not just toys, they are powerful tools for photography, travel, and even business. With better batteries, clear 8K video, and strong flight control, these new drones make it easy to capture every moment from the sky. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, the latest drones in 2025 are built to give you smooth flying and stunning shots. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5, DJI Mini 4K. I use the DJI Mini 4K when I want small size and big results. I unfold the arms, pop in the battery, and connect the app. Setup takes a minute. I choose a quick shot or manual video, then lift off. The 3-axis gimbal keeps the picture steady. I fly low and slow for smooth shots, then rise higher for wide views in crisp 4K. I tap return to home and it lands safely. It's light, under 250 g, quiet, and easy for beginners, but still looks professional for YouTube and travel vlogs. Number 4, DJI Mini 4 Pro. When I need safer flying and smarter tools, I pick the Mini 4 Pro. I check the obstacle sensors and set an auto-return point. I start active track to follow me or a moving subject. I switch between normal and HDR 4K video for bright, colorful scenes. I review clips in the app and trim a quick short for social. It's still light and travel-friendly, but adds advanced features that help me film confidently in busy places. Number 3, DJI Air 3. The Air 3 is my choice for cinematic shots without going full pro. I pick the lens, wide for landscapes or tele for tighter framing. I set flight modes for smooth orbits and dramatic reveals. I capture buttery footage with strong stabilization and reliable GPS. I bring it back, swap batteries, and shoot the next scene. It balances quality, flight time, and price, so I can deliver wow shots for clients or content with less effort. Number 2, Roku F11 Pro. For a budget that still looks premium, I fly the Roku F11 Pro. I lock the props, connect the controller, and calibrate the compass. I enable GPS hold so it stays steady for clearer video. I record 4K clips of landmarks and practice simple tracking moves. I use one button return to home to land. It's reliable, easy to learn, and the long flight time, with extra battery, lets me practice more and worry less. Number 1, DJI Mavic 4 Pro. When I want the highest control and a movie look, I go with the Mavic 4 Pro. I choose a flat color profile for grading later. I set shutter and ISO manually for true pro exposure. I use advanced flight paths for smooth parallax and reveal shots. I review focus, then record multiple takes for safety. With its pro-grade camera system, strong sensors, and stable flight, it's the drone I trust for commercials, real estate, and serious client work. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.